Hey guys, it's Hannah and I'm on the phone with Val. We're just gonna
Sign #dab.
we're just gonna go like shopping. Oh no, nudity. Okay, we're just gonna go like shopping because it's like
What am I wearing? Can you
okay,
see what I'm
Val.
wearing?
Yeah, you're wearing your normal clothes. Can you see what I'm wearing?
No, you're wearing the dress, like the satin dress.
Okay, so we like yeah, okay. Val, we should match outfits.
Yeah, what do you want to get?
Um,
Well, let me see the shirt I'm wearing. That's like $2,700.
I don't like it. You see the shirt that I'm wearing? It's like $50,000.
Oh, drip top. Gosh. Tell me. Na. You got me going crazy.
Don't let me die young. I just want you to father my young. I just want you to be my doctor. We got to track and chiropractor. And I can swim. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't want to spend time fighting. Como tú te amas, yo no sé. Guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a pup. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I got a bullet up. 10, 20s in the 50s, I'm a motherfucking star. Look at the paint on the car. Too much rim, make the ride too hard. Tell that bitch hop out, walk the boulevard. I need my money pronto. I just put an 8 in a liter. Throw some Jolly Rancher in, make it sweeter. Versace my clothes, a with a white horse. She snorting 3 lines like Adidas. Got a black girl rolling off Molly. Got a white bitch snoring out snow. Said she want real niggas in the party. Yeah. And I never always make party. I do it how you say you want it. When you might put my head down to my feet and she smile at me. I'm proud to be on yeah, I'm gonna get up there. Look at the bitch. Look at the bitch. Baby, I just wanna get you out the house. I just wanna see the place it's
I like listening to musical ones.
1 to 2, wine slow for me. Tick tock for me, baby, drop it like that. Move slow to me, cautiously, I love it like that. Cause when you dress up in your two-piece and your short short. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off. So many ways to love ya. Got me like, oh my God, I'm so in love. Found you right.
What? Oh, she just hung up on me, but that's okay. Okay, so sorry, just like being quiet, but I really like this outfit. Hashtag squad. Getting my body like it's holy. For the whole week. I'll be praying for you, my Sunday candy. I don't know, that doesn't really match with these pants. I just want like the original ones. Like, where are the freaking original ones? Where are you? Sorry, this music is like really random. Like, this is literally like what I listen to. Like, I just like listening to like musically compilations, whatever they're called, because I don't know. It's just like, that's what she said. Okay, she had to. Okay, lolly. Okay, she had to leave because her dad was like probably telling her to get off. But anyways, I can't find the sneakers that I want without the roses. I don't know where they are. Like, what the heck? Oh, so blind. They're right across from these. Are you pranking? Okay, so like, what the heck? Are you kidding me? But anyways, I'm getting the red, which is really want. But hashtag squad. So okay, so. I feel like I need something red up in here because it needs to be like to match. I like that. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Now hair. Long hair. I've been like obsessed with this color. It's like kind of brown. Oh wait, it's this color. Okay, the music just ended. Are you pranking me? Okay, I don't like this, so headgear needs to come off. Okay, okay. So, I want to get like a hat or like a headwear. Like, you know, feeling that. I like this. Or like this. Do I? I feel like these should be like the main. Headgear. Okay, I think this is my final look, and I really like it. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it because I'm like running out of diamonds, and I don't want to spend diamonds. But this is my final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You probably didn't, but hashtag squad, peace, love, harmony. So peace sign. Also, if you just saw like Val's text about like how we thought that like something about how he thinks that conversations with friends make her stupid or whatever, like she's going through like drama or whatever, so it's not like it's just like friend drama, so it's not really like an actual like, yeah, but just like want to like someone know, just in case they're gonna they comment and like say something and be like, what's going on, but yeah.